Helicopter level 2 on the foam roller. So again, have the roller on the back of the pelvis. It should feel comfortable. Legs are up towards the ceiling, hands are on the roller. Again, make sure that rib cage is settled so that it's not popping up. You're going to take your left leg towards you, right leg down towards the floor. Try and keep your legs as straight as you can. Now from there, you're going to swing your legs around. Be gentle. Good. And then you bring your legs back up to the top. This time you send your other leg, left, that way. There we go. Just mind out the way. Swing it around. And back up. So that is helicopter level 2. So instead of bringing the legs back up and opening them like we did level 1, it's just to swing around. So give your knees a hug and yeah, helicopter level 2.